Ladies and gentlemen, today you are travelling on an Airbus A320, and it is important that you are all familiar with the safety features of this aircraft. Even if you fly with Jetstar frequently, we would appreciate your attention for just a few minutes. Having your seatbelt done up low and tight is essential for takeoff, turbulence and landing. To do it up, put the clasp in the buckle and tighten as shown. Undo it by lifting the buckle flap. You should keep your seatbelt done up whenever you are seated, just in case we come across any unexpected turbulence. In your seat pocket, you will find a safety briefing card that shows the brace position and other important information on what you should do in the unlikely event of an emergency. Please take a moment to read it before we take off. The A320 has 8 emergency exits. Look where the crew is pointing to find your nearest exit. A good way to remember is to count the number of seats between you and the exit. The crew will also point out lights that act like a path to the exits. If we have to evacuate, you must leave all cabin baggage behind. Remember that in an emergency, it is the crew that will be most help to you, so follow their instructions. Should oxygen be required, a mask will appear from above you. Pull it down firmly, put it on quickly over your nose and mouth, and tighten the strap. Once the mask is working properly, you can help others, including children. Your life jacket is located within easy reach under your seat. To put it on, place the life jacket over your head and clip the waistband at the front. It has 2 red tags and a mouthpiece for inflation, and a whistle and light for attracting attention. You must only inflate your life jacket as you leave the aircraft. To prepare for takeoff, ensure that your seat back is upright, your tray table is stowed away, and your window shade is open. Finally, check that your seatbelt is fastened low and tight. Civil aviation law requires you to comply with all safety notices and signs on the aircraft. Tampering with or theft of any aircraft item is an offence under Australian law and may result in fines or prosecution. Smoking in any part of the aircraft is prohibited, and smoke detectors have been fitted. If you're not sure about anything we've told you, check the safety card in your seat pocket. Thanks for your attention and enjoy your flight.